Okay, we start here with a screen of the health benefits of oysters. They're high in zinc, which is an important mineral, but they're healthy in other ways as well. They help your immune system, that's the zinc. Um, they inhibit viruses, critical to male sex hormone and prostate function. They speed wound healing, and they are zinc that is essential to vision, taste, and smell. So got a reference there if you want to go and look up some of these details, but let's get on with the recipe. Hey everybody, it's David here, and today we're making breaded oysters. And so there in the picture you see everything you need. We got a tub of oysters. I get a tub of the seconds from Max, one of the local producers, and the seconds, they've been nicked typically in the shucking process, and other than that they're fine. I get them because they're cheaper. And then I've got some flour there. I don't usually have breadcrumbs in the house, so I'm just using flour and with some salt and pepper for my breading mix. I've got some milk and eggs to make an egg wash, and then I've got some butter. I'm going to put the butter in the frying pan instead of oil to fry the oysters in. So all you need to do is dig out your oysters, dredge them through your egg wash, and then dredge them through the your breading mix, or in this case the flour. Put them in your frying pan, fry them on both sides. Make as many as you like. If you're making a lot, you might want to turn on your oven on warm and have a plate in there that you can put the oysters on if you're going to be making more than one frying pan full. And then just serve them up. I'll serve them with a wedge of lemon. Some people might like to have tartar sauce in them, and there you go. Quick, easy, healthy, good snack. Or if you want to use them as the protein in a main meal, well, that's pretty simple too. Alright, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and maybe you could subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to post one video every few days. Alright, thanks and have a good day.